SG World USA's Fire Extinguisher inspection solution is patent protected and helps you make sure your fire extinguishers are inspected regularly and makes the process easy. The yellow book paddle kit will be attached to or next to the fire extinguisher stand. The inspector will remove the book and the checklist will walk them through everything they need to check on that fire extinguisher in the order they would sensibly check it off. Once they've completed the checklist, they will sign it, which is about that person being responsible and accountable for the safety check of the fire extinguisher. The top copy will rip off with an OSHA record remaining in the book. The top copy that's ripped off, that's going to fold in half, and assuming that in this case the fire extinguisher passed its inspection, on the green side the inspector will complete the date, the time and their name, which will cover up the do not use on this safety status indicator to show that everybody in the vicinity that the fire extinguisher has passed its inspection. More significantly, the green side has the date and the time that it was carried out, as well as the person's name that carried out the inspection. Of course, if it's failed, they can show the red side, which demonstrates that the fire extinguisher needs a service, repair, or needs to be replaced. There is an option to have the red or green side half the size using this smaller tag, which can hang off potentially the fire extinguisher itself as well. SG World USA's patent protected fire extinguisher inspection solution helps you make certain those fire extinguishers are inspected regularly, makes the process easy, and builds your safety culture through its visibility.